Hey guys, this is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here, then welcome to my channel. So guys, Rene have launched this set of 10 liquid lipsticks. This is called Rene Stay Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. Guys, this is one of their new launch. They have some other liquid lipsticks, but those are Stay With Me liquid lipsticks, and also those lipsticks are available on regular size. But as of now, this Stay Forever Matte liquid lipsticks are only available in this kind of kit format. And guys, this kit retails for only 750 rupees. That means one lipstick costed for only 75 rupees. So technically this is one of their affordable launch, and in this kit you're gonna get pink shades, nude shades, wine shades, red shades, and browns too. So I think this is a compact lip kit, and today's video is all about this lipstick set. And yeah, let's start the video. But if you're watching it for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So this is Renee Stay Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it retails for 750 rupees, where you're gonna get 1 ml of each lipstick. This is vegan, made in India, no animal tested, PETA certified product. And the lipstick comes in this kind of see-through packaging with a doe foot shaped applicator. And company says that this is transfer proof, smudge proof, long lasting, and infused with vitamin E and jojoba oil. And guys, as of now, this kit is only available on Rene website and Amazon as well, and I will share the link into the description so that you can check it out easily. Now I'm going to show you the shades, so let's move on to the swatches. So guys, this is a compact lip kit I think you need in your vanity. Here you're gonna get red, brown, nude, pink, wine, everything. So yes, the quantity is not too much, but I think girls need more shades, not the quantity, because we already have a lot of lipsticks. And you can afford this thing because only 750 rupees, and here you're gonna get 10 different shades, so you can afford this product. Now if we talk about the formula, guys, this is a liquid matte lipstick that gives you complete matte finish look, and as company says, it is smudge proof, well, right, and it is transfer proof as well. So guys, and also this is very lightweight, this is very comfortable matte, it doesn't, you know, highlight any crease or anything. It looks very beautiful on the lips, plus it stay fresh for long. I think I'm wearing this for more than 2 hours now, and no, it is not that much drying at all. And one thing I would like to mention, that it took little extra time to dry it down completely, but once it dry, it gives you you know, that ultimate matte finish look, and it stay quite long. I mean, even after having my food, even after having my drink, it doesn't come off. And I need a very good micellar water to remove this lipstick, and yes, it doesn't leave any stain on the lips, which is a very good thing. And honestly speaking, for 75 rupees I wasn't expect this kind of formula, so from my side it's a big thumbs up for this formula. Now if we talk about the shades, well guys, the shades are quite pigmented, you just need a single swipe to get full opacity. And out of 10, this one is my favorite shade, and this is the shade Eclipse. Yes, this is the shade Eclipse. I really like this shade. They have created shades for everyone. They have lighter shades, also they have some brown shades. They have 2 brown shades. Okay, I think those shades can be you know, nude shades for my dark skin girlies. So yes, this is a compact lipstick kit, although there are a lot of lipstick kit available in the market, but guys, this is from Rene, and especially if you are a college going girl and if you wanna invest your pocket money on something you know, affordable, so definitely go for this one, because here you're gonna get 10 different shades, 10 different options. So according to me, shades are good, formula is good, plus you're gonna get 10 different shades, so definitely you can invest your money on this kit. And this is it about this kit. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.